Hey guys, this is Jen and Leon Travel.
Right.
We are currently in Istanbul and we are going to take you guys with us today on a journey. We're going to walk from our Airbnb, which is in which neighborhood?
In the Fatih district.
Yeah.
Fenerbahçe.
So it's about an hour walk in total to get to the Grand Bazaar, the
Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia.
Yeah, so we're going to go explore those today, and depending on, I was going to say our level of fatigue, but more my level of fatigue, we may take the bus back or the ferry back. But yeah, we'll take you guys along with us and show you a little bit of the journey from walking to here to there and what we find and discover throughout the day. So.
And definitely food too, because we all know how important that is. Sustenance.
But no,
Iran.
You won't be finding that on this channel anymore. So if you're looking for that, you won't find it.
Yeah, that's not that.
Alright, so come on, let's go. Ekmek. The pretzel with the...
Very good. Oh?
Şöyle çek. Çek şöyle.
Oh.
Çek.
I got you.
Çek şöyle.
I got you. Perfect.
Evet, sağ ol.
Very good.
How many, how much?
Yavaş. Hesabı vereyim.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you. How, lira? 10?
10 lira, bargain.
Sağ ol.
Perfect, thank you.
Sağ ol.
I always forget about this. This is such a cool feature. Isn't this amazing, guys? So you can see what we see. Amazing. I love it. First of all, I'm still eating this. You'll see. That guy was awesome. So we're walking in the area right now that we were in yesterday. So if you look around, literally, this is where that market that we were at. It was literally this entire road. They do all the blocks all around, and you can't even tell it's the same space. Like, look at it.
You never would have even seen half of these buildings. It was completely covered. So really cool to see it in a different light. With
And
more
this
cars
is really
as well.
good, by the way.
Doesn't need anything on top of it, and it just does the job. For 10 lira, you get 3 of them, and
We got 3 of them from that guy that you saw. It's like, it kind of tastes like it basically just tastes like a sesame seed bagel, in my opinion.
lovely jubbly.
See you in a bit.
Hey there, buddy. You're only a little puppy, huh?
Oh, hi, baby. Oh my goodness, the little kitties are just, I can't handle it. Oh, and everybody takes care of them. They all let them feed them and...
Hello, buddy.
This is where you buy your phone cards, people.
Using a SIM card, just for the phone, just a SIM. But is the only one you have the 200 lira, or do you have lower ones?
No.
They're just 200?
Yes.
Okay, we're happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, can we get this one?
Okay. Passport?
Yeah, no problem.
Sit down 5 minutes.
Thank you. So one thing to note is when you go to buy a tourist SIM card, you do have to have your passport with you. So just so you guys know that, so you don't walk all the way there or get to a shop without it. So. Bus system, very nice buses. Don't know if we're gonna ride on one, but this is where we are. I don't know how to say it, so I thought I would just say it.
It's very cool. Look at that.
So this is one of the main entrances to the Grand Bazaar. So we're just about to walk in. So this is the area surrounding it that you will see when you, well, if you come from this direction.
Here we go, it's going to be busy in there.
Get ready. Are you ready? Oh, there, look, there, I think that's the entrance over there.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, it says Grand Bazaar. There you go, look. That's better.
Well, not really. Sorry.
Yapma ya.
Right. Yeah, that's good.
Alright, here we go. Oh, so many stores already. Look all them down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go. This is where we're going. Sunglasses up.
Security. Okay, in we go, babe.
No.
Thank you, lady. Baby's about to get her groove on and go shopping.
He's the shopper, not me. Who are
What?
you joking here? What?
What?
There we go, down there. Look how pretty the ceiling is.
Oh, this
Look
is
at look at the ceiling. Film the top. So nice. The carpet, like, it's so pretty. Look here. Oh. Look at this. Love racks, purses.
Very pretty. Oh, look, the lights. I love those lights.
Here's the antique bazaar. Sign.
Okay, into the old bazaar we go.
You guys looking start?
Look at the ceiling.
Go back this way.
Oh, you don't want to go in there?
No, we'll go down the main bit there.
Can I go in front?
Yeah, sure. Right.
Salsa. Burada bitiriyorsun. Salsa.
Look at this light shop over here. The light shops, guys, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful.
Just look at them.
And the
Absolutely
colors, look at the
stunning.
colors, the blue colors, I love it.
Stunning. Just look at that.
Pretty. The ice cream guy. The ice cream guy.
Give me money.
What are we doing now?
We are about to have our first beer in Istanbul, or Jenna's. I'm having the salep, which I love, and we also have some baklava on its way, which will be a nice little pit stop before we get to the main attraction at Hagia Sophia.
And the Blue Mosque.
And the Blue Mosque, and maybe the ferry, and the tower as well, the Galaleta.
Very big menu. See this?
This is the special baklava because it's coming with my heart.
Aww.
Just special for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, first beer in Istanbul. First beer I've had in probably like a month, right? 2 months? A month?
Yeah, it's been a while.
3 months?
It's been dry.
We've been dry. No, we've been disciplined. I gotta film you, babe, with your salop.
Oh, I love it.
But it's really
so
funny
good.
because that word is very different in French. Good? Hey guys, if there's some French
So
Canadians,
amazing.
if there's some French Canadians watching this, you guys let me know in the comments what salop means in French. Leon knows.
I don't care because it tastes good.
Yum, yum, yum. Look at that phone.
On the way to the Hagia Sophia, we've just come from this street here, a nice little pit stop.
Very beautiful, very European feel, very modern, this area. Very nice area of Istanbul, honestly.
And it really is, and the stores are just amazing, like so well presented. This is where we're headed, down the end of this street, and then we do a left for the Hagia Sophia, and then the Blue Mosque is like directly opposite.
Hello.
From Iran.
Hello!
Sultanahmet. From Istanbul.
Yeah.
Everybody is so friendly.
They really are. Hello!
Oh, look, you got the colors again. Look here, that's so cute. Is that better?
That's better.
Look at all the colorful buildings. Turn it that way, babe. Just on the buildings. There you go. Look at that, guys. Wow.
That is, if there's ever a sign of Istanbul, that is it, with the colours, eating outside, everyone just socialising and chilling together. So awesome.
Beautiful.
Look at it. Bit wobbly, but you know, that's the cobbled streets.
Or the one beer because it's been so long, you know?
Look at the stores. Very cool.
That is the total. Oh, there we go. Today we climbed 20 flights of stairs. We walked 15.8 kilometers with a total of 20,362 steps. I said 20,000, Leon said 23,000, so high five. Job well done.
Yes, we are exhausted.
Good night.